Hi, this is David Newton speaking. Today I'm going to be doing a live expose into my YouTube channel, giving you the full stats and figures on my YouTube Shorts and how YouTube Shorts has had a big impact upon my YouTube channel. Now, a few pointers. This is not a fake account that I've set up just purely to do my own YouTube Shorts. That's not connected to my real ordinary channel. No, this is the channel that you're viewing from right now, is all of the facts and figures directly with that and how that's impacted my long form content together with my YouTube Shorts, some of the highs and some of the lows, and also some tips on how you can improve what you're doing with YouTube Shorts if you're either just starting or just maybe a bit curious and wanting to know how to use YouTube Shorts to get ahead with your channel. Now, the goal of this video is to let you know how I've achieved results of growing my channel using video shorts alongside that of regular long-form content on my small business channel. Now, just to give you a full background, what's actually happened here is that I've recorded since October 11 of last year, that's 2022, October 11. If we go all the way back to here, this one here being my very first video, and that was all about who is in your kitchen cabinet. Now that's a video all about networking. It's around about 40 seconds long, and I got something like around about 38 views on that at around about the very first time it went up onto YouTube. It felt like a bit of a rush. Since then, I've done another 28 shorts, and with mixed results across the whole spectrum there. Plus, just to give you a little bit of an idea also, I do have regular video content, and here's what that is. Just to give you a full background, I'm a small business channel. I teach people about how they can improve running their events in order for lead generation, or using events for selling in your business, whether it's a product or service, or even just how to make money out of events themselves, or even make money out of public speaking. So they're the topics that I primarily cover. I also interspace that with interviewing the occasional expert, multi-millionaires, on how they actually do what they do, and I will be continuing doing that. And as a direct result, my video channel will be growing. Now, just to give you an idea, before I got to where I'm at now, my current situation is I've got 58 subscribers as of right this minute. And before I started doing shorts, I had something like about 29 subscribers at that time when I did my very, very first short last year in October. So when I first tried this out, I wasn't even initially thinking of where would I get more subscribers. I was just doing it just to see what would happen. Now, let's get down to brass tacks right away. Essentially, this is the kind of results that I've got from my shorts looking back over 90 days from this point of time right now. And as you can see here, of course, this doesn't go back all the way to when I had my very first video short, which was October 11, but suffice to say, at the beginning of November, that's good enough for me here right now. And I did do quite a few initially in the first few days. Okay, 3.2k views, which is pretty good. And also likes, 129 likes. That to me was also quite a big surprise. And the YouTube Shorts alone, just over this particular 3-month period, is 17 subscribers directly off the back of that. So that's not too bad, I figure. And let's see, what else can I say? Just to give a little bit more of a detail here, here's also what the top shorts actually is, to give you a bit of an idea. Out of my particular content, some of my best shorts here at the moment is The Secret to YouTube Isn't You. So I made that one basically an 18-second video, and so far that's got 520 6 likes. That one, shall I say, blew me away. The other one is Become the Customer You Wish to Attract, which was a type of rant video, which I believe. So it goes for something like around about 55 seconds or so for that one. And another one that was quite short here is YouTube Content Ideas Instantly. That was around about a 25-second video, thereabouts. That also did quite well for me. That was 337 views. Next one down is Your YouTuber Emotions. That's 246 views. And also here, what value is your keynote speech? That's 243 views. So that one's not a bad one there at all. Right, now the key highlights here, before I go on to some more key highlights after this, is look at this very carefully and right up close and personal. First of all, in the last 28 days, and very specially in the last 2 weeks, I've had 2.2k views, I've had 13.7 watch hours, and of course I've had 14 subscribers join in that time. Yes, I've had a few that have left, but that's just the way it is. Now, pay attention to this. A lot of people talk about watch time. Here's some of the videos and what you need to pay attention to. I've got this one here, which is one of my top ones, which is The Secret to YouTube Isn't You, which had an average view duration of 14 seconds, or in other words, 79.9%. So that one got me 526 views in that time period. The Secret, Become the Customer You Wish to Attract. That one had, it was only 17 seconds there, but I had a 33.5% retention. Still an astonishing 474 views. Next down from that is YouTube Content Ideas Instantly. This one had a 16-second average watch time, or 59.6%. And that also had a fantastic 337 views. And if we go on down here, the YouTuber Emotions video, that's 11 seconds or 62%, 62.3% of retention. And that one had 246 views, so quite amazing. What I'd found with a lot of my videos is that YouTube will tend to promote the videos in a short format for maybe, say, the first few hours, and then it'll just sort of go quiet again. And then, bearing in mind I live in Sydney, Australia, and then when I'm about to wake up, or just before I'm about to wake up in the morning, which might be around about 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning, I might wake up and I'll see my video going through its next mega phase of actually tons of views at that time of the morning when I'm about to wake up. So that's usually how it tends to work with a lot of my videos. Also, just to give you a little bit more of an idea of what's been happening with my channel very, very recently once again, here's what my returning viewers situation looks like. I've currently got, once again, out of 58 subscribers, and quite a lot of those very recent, I've got 18 returning viewers, and we've currently got here, what's it, something like unique viewers, 1.9k, and subscribers out of this 28-day time period, that's 14 subscribers. So there you go. Key findings of my video shorts. Pay attention here. These are some of my key findings, and I'm going to explain in detail what not to do. Don't upload too many shorts on the same day. I made the mistake of uploading too many shorts, and as a direct result, I killed off 2 of them in what the potential is that they could have been for the views that I could have got. Next, don't edit after you've hit publish. If you do, you're going to upset the algorithm, and who knows what problem that's going to give you. At any rate, it's going to leave you with no potential because you may have mucked it up. And don't be careless about editing. Editing is everything. Make sure you edit it as best as you possibly can, and learn by your mistakes and improve as best as you possibly can. What to do? You must do these. Vary the length of your videos. What I've found is that I've done everything from as short as 10 seconds right up to 59 seconds itself for my videos. I've also found that 18 seconds is optimal, but don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Vary it around still. Probably do 2 18-seconders, then do a 55-seconder, then go back to maybe, say, 40 seconds. You vary it around. It all depends upon your content. Scene changes make it exciting. Think of on TV. They're always changing every 2 seconds or every 3 seconds. When you've only got a very short video, even if it's 30 seconds, you've got to mix it up and vary it around and keep it interesting. And above all else, audio is vital. If people can't hear you clearly, they're going to switch off. If the music dominates, they're going to switch off. Make sure it's usable, and if you have to, get a friend to listen to it or watch it first before you release it to the public. And I've got some more updates coming soon with this. I'm still going to be continuing on with my shorts videos, and what I'd request for you to do is to subscribe so you can get the full updates and a little bit more in depth about how I do my shorts and how that goes along with my long form video. So please like and subscribe. If you've got any comments or questions, put them in the comments below. My name is David Newton. Please subscribe. Look forward to seeing you again very soon.